Hello and welcome to my video presentation on my full portfolio in cryptocurrency. As an avid crypto investor, I am excited to share with you my holdings and my investment strategy. Let's start with an overview of my portfolio. Currently, my portfolio is diversified across several different cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Coin, Cardano, and Solana. Each of these coins has its own unique use cases and value propositions, and I believe they represent some of the most promising projects in the crypto space. Now, let's dive a bit deeper into each of these coins and why I have invested in them. First, let's talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the original cryptocurrency and remains the most widely recognized and adopted. It has a fixed supply cap of 21 million coins, which makes it a scarce asset, and it is widely considered a store of value similar to gold. I believe Bitcoin is an important part of any crypto portfolio, and I hold a significant percentage of my portfolio in BTC. Next up is Ethereum. Ethereum is the second largest cryptocurrency by market cap and is the backbone of the decentralized finance (DeFi) ecosystem. Its smart contract functionality enables the creation of decentralized applications (DApps) and allows for the creation of new cryptocurrencies on its blockchain. I am very bullish on the future of DeFi, and I believe Ethereum will continue to be a major player in this space. Moving on, we have Binance Coin. Binance Coin is the native token of the Binance Exchange, one of the largest and most popular cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. Binance Coin is used to pay for trading fees on the exchange and also has a variety of other use cases, including participation in initial exchange offerings, IEOs, and earning interest through Binance's lending platform. I believe Binance will continue to be a dominant player in the exchange space, and holding Binance Coin is a great way to benefit from its success. Cardano is another cryptocurrency that I have invested in. Cardano is a third-generation blockchain that aims to address the scalability and sustainability issues of earlier blockchains. It uses a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism, which is more energy efficient than Bitcoin's proof-of-work mechanism. Cardano has a strong community and has made significant progress in its development roadmap, which includes smart contract functionality and the creation of a decentralized governance system. Finally, we have Solana. Solana is a newer cryptocurrency that has quickly gained popularity due to its high-speed transaction processing and low transaction fees. It has a unique consensus mechanism called proof of history that enables fast and efficient processing of transactions. Solana is still in the early stages of its development, but I believe it has the potential to become a major player in the crypto space. In conclusion, my portfolio is diversified across several different cryptocurrencies, each with its own unique value proposition and potential for growth. I believe that holding a diversified portfolio is the best way to mitigate risk and benefit from the long-term growth potential of the crypto space. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this presentation informative and helpful.